Casper is one of my favorite projects, and staking Casper is a great way to earn passive income and support the network. It's also relatively simple and easy to do, where you can do it from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up the Casper wallet and also how to stake your Casper crypto. I'll also discuss the benefits of staking and answer some common questions. If you're interested in learning more about Casper staking, then stick around. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. Try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we need the Casper wallet to start, and we need some Casper tokens. I got my tokens on MEXC. You can get them on KuCoin. KuCoin is difficult to use in the United States now, so MEXC has been my go-to kind of. I didn't see Casper wallet on this on the actual Casper.network website. What I did is I went to their Twitter account and looked up Casper wallet. And if you're not already, follow me on Twitter. It's the APY guy. It's at _APY_guy. You want to look me up and follow me. I do a lot of updates on there. So if we go to Casper Wallet on Twitter, we go to casperwallet.io and we click on that. It's going to bring us here, and that's where we're going to download the official wallet for Casper. So we're going to go ahead and hit download, and it's going to download an extension. Once we download the extension, we're going to want to go up here to add extensions and make sure we can see our Casper wallet here. And then it's going to say ready to create your wallet. So we're going to hit getting started. We're going to have to come up with a password. So you're going to need a password that's 16 characters, which is somewhat difficult. Just make sure you write this password down. So I'm going to go ahead and create mine. Once you have figured out your password, you want to go down here and click to I have read and agree to the Casper wallet terms of service. We're going to hit that, and we're going to hit create password. Now it's going to say create our secret recovery phrase. We're going to want to do that. So we're going to click on my create my secret recovery phrase. I'm going to skip this part because when I click on this, it's going to show mine, and I don't want to show mine. So make sure you write this phrase down. Okay, there's one other page I forgot. It says before we generate your secret recovery phrase, please remember, save a backup in multiple secure locations. Never share the phrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing. Casper Wallet will never spontaneously ask you for your secret recovery phrase. If you need to back up the secret recovery phrase again, you can find it in the settings. Casper Wallet cannot recover your secret recovery phrase. If you lose it, you may not be able to recover your funds. Okay, then you would click here, I understand, and then you would click next. Then it's going to show your recovery phrase. Once you have done that, it's going to say, awesome, your secret recovery phrase, your secret phrase is confirmed. I'm going to give you a bunch of tips. Make sure you read through these and then hit done. Congrats, your Casper wallet is set up and ready to go. So if we hit got it, then we can go up here to the top right where our extensions are. And here's our Casper wallet. Next thing we need to do is we need to send some Casper tokens to our wallet. To do that, we're going to click on down here where it says Casper, and then we're going to click receive, and then we're going to have a scan code here, or we can copy the key and paste it to wherever exchange that we're sending them from, or another wallet that we're sending them from. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Again, I am going to send mine from MEXC. If you don't have a MEXC account, you can sign up by using the link in the description of this video. Okay, a couple important things. You must have 500 or more Casper tokens to stake. The second really important thing is to use the correct site. The site for staking is cspr.live. That's cspr.live. Once you're at Casper Live, you're going to go to sign in. You're going to come down here to Casper Wallet, and you're going to hit sign in. Then you're going to select the correct account, which is the only account I have here. You're going to hit next, and we're going to hit connect to one account. It's connecting, so it's got our wallet address, our public wallet address up here. And now we're going to go to wallet, and then we're going to come down and we're going to hit delegate stake. Once we do that, we're going to come down and we're going to see a bunch of different validators. One thing I didn't mention is it's going to cost 2.5 Casper for your transaction fee, which is 9 cents currently. You got to make sure you have at least 503 Casper in your wallet. So we're going to go down here and pick a validator. I'm going to go ahead and just pick one that has 0% fees. That's going to be this Casperian one. Oh, it has a network limit. It's already reached the network limit. Okay, so I guess it's 900 and some. We're going to have to pick a different validator. So let's go down here and see if there's any with zero fees. Let's try this one. Okay, now we're going to come down here and delegate max. If I hit delegate max, okay, that'll hit the exact amount. We're not going to want to do that exactly, so we're going to leave a couple tokens in our wallet for gas. So I have 550.998 in my wallet, so I'm going to do 540. That'll leave me enough for gas fees for other transactions in the wallet. Okay, then we're going to hit next. And it's going to show us exactly what's going to happen. We're going to delegate 540 Casper. The transaction fee is going to be 2.5 Casper. The total fee is going to be 542.5 Casper. It's going to say there's a 1 era delay before your funds are staked. Once they are staked, you'll need to undelegate in order to have them become liquid again. There's a 7-8 era delay to undelegate. Era duration is approximately 120 minutes. So it's every 2 hours is what they call an era. So that's kind of like an epoch and other staking, but they call it an era. We're going to hit confirm and delegate stake. And then it's going to ask us to sign with our Casper wallet. We're going to go here to our wallet and we're going to hit sign. And that went through. Delegation completed. Okay, once you're delegated, an easy way to see your staking rewards and see what's going on with your account is actually just copy your public key here. You copy it and you paste it into the search bar. You could see everything, hit search, and you could see everything that's going on with it. You can see your public key, your account hash. It'll show how much liquid tokens you have and the staked amount. And then if you want to, you can come down here and you can see all of your staking rewards. So if you hit staking rewards, we've already gotten, getting back on this video, it's about 5 hours later. Actually a little more than that, about 10 hours later, I've already gotten 2 staking rewards. I've gotten 0.01234 and then 0.01225 Casper tokens. And that's that's only off of 548.52 that are staked currently. Every era, kind of like epochs and other coins, staking coins, there's eras, and the eras are every 2 hours. So every 2 hours, you're going to get a staking reward. So in about an hour and 5 minutes, I'm going to get another one. And they kind of, just go up a little bit because everything's compounding as it goes. So you're going to get your staking rewards. Staking rewards are going to go back into your total balance. And it's just going to kind of compound its way up. Really cool staking for Casper. And it's 10.84% APY currently. Some will say that's a really high inflation rate, but I think the market cap's fairly low, that it could do, it could go up quite a bit if we get a bull market. And this is one of the coins that I'm trying to stack as many tokens as possible. If there's any other staking coins that you are into that I have not covered on this channel yet, make sure you leave those in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.